Are you a man over 60 who feels like your best days are behind you? Do you feel like your energy is fading and your desire is slowing down? If so, you're not alone. Many men experience a decline in physical and mental energy as they age, leading to a loss of motivation, drive, and passion in their lives. But what if I told you that you don't have to accept this as normal? What if you could find ways to boost your energy, rekindle your desire, and live life to the fullest, no matter your age? In this video, I'll share 3 powerful daily habits that can help you do just that. These simple yet effective strategies are backed by science and have been proven to increase energy levels, improve sexual performance, and enhance overall quality of life for men over 60. So, if you're ready to reclaim your life and rediscover your inner vitality, keep watching. Hello, my brothers. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything health, fitness, and nutrition related. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of our hearts: boosting your energy and desire as a man over 60. We understand that this is a common concern for many of you, and we're here to provide practical solutions that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the video. The first powerful daily habit that can help you maintain your energy and desire as a man over 60 is walking daily. Just 20 minutes of brisk walking can work wonders for your body and mind. Walking has been shown to increase blood circulation, which can lead to improved energy levels and a healthier sex life. It also helps in maintaining a healthy weight, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, and can even help with weight loss. And the best part? It's accessible to everyone. All you need is a good pair of shoes and a comfortable pace. The second tip is incorporating pomegranates into your daily diet. This delicious fruit is rich in antioxidants that have been shown to improve blood flow and support both energy and desire. Pomegranates are a versatile fruit that can be consumed in various ways, such as in salads, smoothies, or even as juice. They not only add a burst of flavor to your meals, but also provide numerous health benefits. Additionally, consuming pomegranates regularly has been linked to improved brain function and a reduced risk of certain cancers. Now, let's talk about a common mistake that many men over 60 make: sitting too much. Whether it's on the couch watching TV or in a chair at work, sitting for long periods can be detrimental to your health and well-being. Studies have shown that prolonged sitting can lower energy levels, weaken muscles, and reduce motivation. To combat this issue, it's crucial to take regular breaks and incorporate movement into your day. Simply standing up every half an hour and stretching can make a significant difference. Additionally, engaging in activities that require you to move, such as gardening or taking the stairs instead of the elevator, can help keep your body active and your mind focused. Another powerful daily habit that can help you maintain your energy and desire as a man over 60 is starting your day with a simple morning routine. This routine should include drinking a glass of water upon waking up, followed by light stretches and exposure to sunlight. This practice can help wake up your hormones, improve blood circulation, and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. The combination of hydration, movement, and natural light can help you feel energized and ready to tackle anything. Finally, it's essential to keep the spark alive in your relationship. As a man over 60, it's natural to feel like your sex life may be waning, but that doesn't mean it's time to give up on passion and intimacy. To keep the romance alive, it's important to keep the relationship exciting and fulfilling. This can be achieved by surprising your partner with small gestures of love, quality time together, and open communication about your needs and desires. Remember, a strong emotional connection is key to maintaining a healthy and happy relationship. As we wrap up this video, remember that age is just a number. Yes, it's true that testosterone levels and energy may decline with age, but that doesn't mean you have to feel like a low energy, low desire 60-year-old man. By incorporating the tips we've shared today, you can maintain a high energy level, keep your libido strong, and enjoy a fulfilling sex life. Walking daily, eating pomegranates, staying active, having a morning routine, and keeping the romance alive are all powerful habits that can make a significant difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips made for men over 50 and 60. And always remember, age may rise, but your energy can rise with it. Stay strong, stay healthy, and embrace each new chapter of your life with vigor and vitality. Until next time, take care and remember, you are the author of your own health and happiness.